Hi, this is Jingo. In this video, I'm just gonna show you a demo on how you can give someone an access to your business manager. Like for example, if you want to hire an advertiser, this is how you're going to do it. Alright, so in your business manager, you have to choose one. So in this case, ang pipiliin ko is everyday business. You need to click people and then click add. So ita-type nyo yung, let's say for example, ita-type nyo yung email address ng yung advertiser o yung tao na gusto nyo bigyan ng access, no, sa inyong business manager. And then you just need to toggle that on, click next, at ma-add na siya dyan. That's it. Ganun lang po kasimple. Make sure na admin access ang ibibigay nyo, kasi kung employee access lang po, napakalimitado ng pwedeng gawin ng isang advertiser para sa inyo. Lalo na kapag na-disabled yan, hihintayin pa kayo para magbigay ng permission bago niya magawa. Thank you.